What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sony 295. This isn't the first time you see me unbox this projector, but I'm doing something very special today. I'm going to answer all of your questions that you've been dying to know. How does this projector compare to the JVC projectors, the RS1000, 2000? I also have a comparison today of the Sony 295 next to the 695. I'm going to be putting all these in within the next few weeks, and I'll have some real life situations, but today I'm going to be doing shootouts side by side, which I can't give you whenever I install it in a customer's theater room. So I'm going to be unboxing this again today and showing you what's inside. Make sure to check out our other videos of the 695 as well as the JVC 1000, 2000, also known as the NX5 and 7. To see how they compare visually on the unboxing, as well as my side-by-side comparisons on the shootout. So, let's see what's inside. First thing you're going to see whenever you open it up is warranty. Sony gives a 3-year parts and labor and 90 days on the lamp. If we compare that next to our JVC, a little bit different. Very comparable, but the JVC does give it 1 year, 1,000 hours on their lamp. Kind of interesting. So that's warranty. Next item in the box is the remote. This is the same remote Sony's been using for like 10 years now. Let me give you a close-up. Maybe not 10 years, that may have been an exaggeration, but at least the last few years. Batteries are included, Sony batteries. Power cord. And it's packed up real nice and tight. At an MSRP of $5,000, I don't think you can beat this projector. It's a really good value. They include a little quick start guide in here, and then the projector itself. You know, ever since we started this YouTube channel, guys, I've been trying to get more and more detail for you. We really do appreciate all the purchases, the online orders. It's completely changed our business model. We can't tell you how grateful we are for it, and I'm gonna do my best to continue to service our customers with 5-star service and provide you guys with more videos like this to help make an informed buying decision. So this is the 295. You can see they do a really nice job of protecting it. Got some plastic here on the front. Now, since this is an unboxing and I'm using it for demonstration purposes, I am going to have this projector, as well as all of the projectors used in this demo, on promo. I can't sell it as new anymore, and all of our products are ordered direct from the manufacturer, so you guys can get a really sweet deal on this. Just the first one. I have one of the JVC 1000, 2000, and the Sony 295 and 695. I'll move into the higher end projectors as well once we get to that point and I see more interest. But we've had so many phone calls from you guys on these particular projectors. I wanted to make sure to get you some more information about it. Sony does protect the whole front. This has a really nice piano flossy black finish on it, and then they protect the lens from being damaged in shipping with this phone piece, as well as a lens protector. Now I'm going to show you guys an up-close video of the product. I'm filming this on a GoPro Hero 7, shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second. So let me know what you think about the image quality. I'm going to continue to try to improve our videos. Over here on the side, we have our buttons, power input menu, little toggle for arrows and then lens. Then I'll flip it around so you guys can see the back side. There's also IR sensors on the front and back. Little status lights. Alright, and then down here on the bottom of the projector, you have your HDMI ports and your power ports. I'm going to give you an up close on these as well. These Sonys have a pretty weird bolting pattern. You can use pretty much any projector mount on it, but I found that it's very interesting in comparison to most, the way that they have it set up. But we have a wide variety of different projector mounts to choose from. Whenever you guys are ready to make that buying decision, we can ship out the mount with the projector and cables, amplifier, speakers, pretty much anything you guys need for your theater room. So if you look here, we have USB, our RS-232, IRN trigger, LAN port and HDMI ports 1 and 2, and that does pass a full 18 gigabit per second HDMI 2.2, which is our most current version. Really sharp looking projector. You guys have seen many of these in our videos the last few months, but what you haven't seen is this projector next to the Sony 695 on the same exact screen, which is what everybody's asking me about. How is it worth the $5,000 price difference? And now that I have the JVC RS1000 and 2000 here, you're gonna get to see those next to this guy too. Which, if I'm correct, which I'm pretty sure I am, you can't find that anywhere, in any store. So this is gonna be a pretty valuable video here, guys. All right, well, that's an overview and unboxing of the Sony 295. Next, I'm gonna move on to the Sony 695 if you guys wanna see that being unboxed, and then later in the day, I'm gonna do the shootout of all of these projectors side by side by side by side. I hope that you guys found this video informative, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below. Keep in mind, we have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.